Good morning. This morning we're going to talk about some useful keystrokes that are Windows keystrokes that are useful across many different Microsoft Windows applications such as Excel, Word. They're also good in general for PCs, so we're going to use it for Wix and we're going to use it for Scratch. Now the 7 commands we're going to go over today are Control C as in C for copy, Control V for paste as in we're going to paste what we just copied. Control S will save a document. Control Z will undo the last command, which is very useful when you make a mistake. Control Y will undo the Control Z, as in restoring it back to the original state. Control F will be for finding a particular set of letters. Control H will be to find and replace. You might ask, why do we bother with these keystrokes? Simply because if we use keystrokes, we use the mouse less or not at all, which will make your work go faster. So let's jump into the example we have today. I have 3 names at the bottom of this document: Jeff Smith, Jeff Stein, and Jeff Zarrow. If I go ahead and copy all of these 3 letters, 3 words, 3 names, and I want to make multiple copies of it, I highlight it with my mouse. I hit Control C as in copy. I go to where I want to place these copies and I hit Control V. Now watch what happens when I hit my first Control V. It copies all 3 names again. Now I can hit Control V as many times as I want and it'll continue to copy them. If I hit Control S, it saves the document. Now watch what happens when I hit Control Z. The first Control Z will remove the last 3 names, and if I continue to hit Control Z, all of the names that I copied have gone away. If I hit Control Y, like I'm going to do now, it undoes the Control Z, so it restores the names to where they were before. Now if I go and I put my mouse at the very top of the names and I hit Control F, I can find all the Jeffs in this document. And as you can see, it lists all of them, which is a very useful Microsoft feature. If I hit Escape and I hit Control H, it'll find and replace. So if I want to change Jeff to Jerry, I can either go in and change them one by one with the replace, or I can replace them all.